Hello, my students. Welcome to my class. Today is, please you write the date and October 2020. Topic mowgli. Perform and read pages 4 and 5. And please write the pedagogical word unit. Okay, we start. Mowgli is Mowgli. Like that. Okay, please open your book, page 4, if you have the book. This is the story of Mowgli, the jungle boy. A man and a woman are in the jungle with their baby. Look, he and she, he is the father and she is the mother, and he is the baby. A tiger called Shere can seize them. He, the tiger, sees them. He is hungry and he roars, "Rawr," like this, "Rawr." And the tiger, yes, this is my jungle. Go away. This is my jungle, the jungle, okay? La selva, the jungle. Go away. Váyase. Oh no, a tiger, said the father. A tiger is going to kill us. Let's go. Yes, the tiger. The father said, oh no, a tiger. He's going to kill. He's going to kill us. Y nos va a matar. Very good. Let's go. Mother, but the baby. And the father, run. Leave the baby here. No, déjalo ahí. It's safer. Come here, big cat. Entonces él se enfrenta al tiger y se enfrenta diciéndole, ven aquí, pequeño gatico, big cat. No, I'm sorry, big cat, gran gato. Come here, big cat. Like that. Come here, big cat. And Shere Car runs after the father. Él empieza a perseguirlos. Runs after the father. Okay, continue. Here, like this. The baby stays in the jungle. He is in the jungle. Then a wolf, oh, the wolf sees the baby. He takes it to his cave. Lo llevan a la cave. Bueno, ya sabemos cave por Alibaba. For the cave. And they are the wolf. Okay. Father Wolf shows it to mother. Entonces, the father, el papá, míralo. The father, no, he is the father. The father shows the baby for the mother wolf. And the 4 cubs. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Okay, the mother wolf. Oh, the mom cub is beautiful. Entonces, el cachorro hombre. Entonces, estos son los cachorritos por. Y la mamita dice, de la mamá lobo, dice, oh, the mom cub is beautiful. Let's call him Mowgli. De una vez, él ya le colocó su nombre. Just then, justo en ese momento, just then, Shere Khan comes to the cave. He comes to the cave. Llegó a la cueva. Oh, give me the baby. He's mine. Give me the baby. Dame el bebé. He's mine. Él es mío, le dice. Todo bravo, mira. He's not yours. The father said, He's not yours. Let's call the animals. They can decide. Okay, this is the activity for today, my students, to read the story, page 4 and 5. Bye, see you. Remember that then I can ask you about the story. Bye.